Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to understand the very important part of our chapter called arithmetic progression. Suppose आपके पास कोई सीक्वेंस दिया हुआ है 1, 2, 3 अप टू 100 या फिर 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 अप टू इनफाइनाइट. इस इनफाइनाइट सीक्वेंस में अगर आपको 100 टर्म अगर निकालना है कि 100 टर्म वाला नंबर कौन सा होगा, सो वी हैव टू ऐड एवरी टाइम डी, t1 प्लस डी और a प्लस डी, a प्लस 2d, a प्लस 3d लाइकवाइज. तो हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. We will derive such a formula so that you will place the value of 100, then you will get the 100 term. Okay, so for that we have to understand or we have to derive the formula for nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so as we know, the arithmetic progression have term 1, then term 2, term 3, term 4, dot 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 up to nth term. That nth term कौन सा है हमको वो निकालना है. इट मे बी 100th one, 50th one, 150th one, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है. ओके, सो दैट टर्म का हमको जो वैल्यू है नंबर है वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला डिराइव करना है. ओके, सो जनरली t1 is nothing but our first term. So first term we know that t1 is equals to a is the first term of arithmetic progression, and d is the common difference between any two consecutive term. Okay, so what will be the first term? So t1 equals to a. t1 is nothing but the a. Then if we will add common difference in a, then we will get second term. So t2 equals to, what will be our t2? t2 is a plus d. If we will add d, then we will get the next term. Or we can write t2 equals to a plus, this is the first one. So t2 or 2 minus 1 into d. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 into d is d. So d plus a equals to our second term. If we will derive the third term, so third term will be a plus d or t2 plus d. So what is t2? t2 is a plus d. So here we can write a plus d is our second term, or we can write it as a plus 2d. So 2d को हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Yes, we can write, because 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2 and 2d is 2d, and we will add a, then we will get our third term. Likewise for fourth term, now we are directly writing this one part. Okay, so it is tn equals to a, or t4 equals to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. This is for the fourth term. Okay, now so for t2 we have a plus 2 minus 1d. For t3 we have a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So for t4 we have a plus 4 minus 1 into d. Suppose this 4 is nothing but n. So 4 is nothing but n. Then n equals to a plus, see here we have 4. So here we have 4. If we will add here n, then we will take here also n. So it will be n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for deriving the nth term. Okay. Now we will use this formula to calculate any term if the sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay. So this is the very important formula that we have to understand, and on that basis we will have to solve our exercise or practice set as well as the solved problem. Okay. So very important. So here Tn is nth term. Here Tn is nth term. What is A? A is first term. First term. What is n? It is the number of nth term. What is D? D is the common difference. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use. Okay, so write down this part. It is the derivation of nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so it is the very important one. Okay, so you have to learn this formula because we have many problems depends on this formula. Okay, so write down this part. So for nth term formula, we are going to solve the first problem. Okay. So the problem says find an Tn. हमको पहले Tn कैलकुलेट करना है. For the following arithmetic progression, and arithmetic progression is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. And find the 38th term. So इस AP का हमको 38th term भी निकालना है. Okay. So solution. So by this arithmetic progression we can write A is our first term, so A is 3. Then D is, what is D? It is T2 minus T1. So what is T2? It is 8. So D equals to 8 minus T1 is 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So we have common difference, we have first term, then we can calculate our nth term. Okay, so formula. So what is formula? Formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn equals to A, we have 3. So we have to write 3 here, plus n minus 1 into D. D we have 5. So we have to write here 5. So this is our Tn term. Okay. If we want to solve this, we can solve it again. Like Tn equals to 3 plus 5 into n is 5n minus 1 into 5 is 5. So Tn equals to minus 5n3 is minus 2. So it is 5n minus 2 will be our Tn term. Okay. Now we have to find 38th term for the following arithmetic progression. Now 30th term. For 30th term n equals to 30. Therefore we have formula Tn equals to 5n minus 2. So Tn is 30, so we have to write T30 equals to 5 into n. N is again 30 minus 2. So we have to multiply this first. So T30 means 30th term equals to 5 3s are 15 and 0 minus 2. So T30 equals to 150 minus 2 is 148. So this is our 30th term of this arithmetic progression. Okay. So now we have to write the result. So what will be the result? Find the Tn. So Tn is result. So Tn is 5n minus 2 and 30th term, that is T30 equals to 148, and it is our answer. Okay. So see, by using this formula we have calculated 30th term of this given arithmetic progression. अदरवाइज अगर हम 1 1 1 1 अगर हर बार जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है उसको ऐड करते जाते, so we have to operate 30 times. But by using this formula, we can directly derive the 30th term. We can derive any term of this arithmetic progression. Okay, so write down this part. Now we are going to solve the second problem. Okay, the problem says which term of the following arithmetic progression is 560. Okay, that means this is the arithmetic progression and we will find 560 in the term, but we have to find 560 is the which number of the term. Okay, एक्चुअल में ये किस नंबर पर ये वाला टर्म आएगा उस नंबर को हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन. We know the first term, that is T1, is nothing but A and which is 2. Then we have to identify D. So D equals to, it is T2 minus T1. So D equals, what is T2? T2 is 11. So 11 minus T1 is 2. So D equals to, we have 9. So we have common difference and we have the first term. Therefore we will apply the formula. So what is formula? Formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so our nth term is 560. So here we have to write 560. Since Tn equals to 560, therefore 560 equals to, what is A? A is 2, so we have to write 2 plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? D is 9. So 560 equals to 2 plus n into 9. N into 9 is 9n minus 1 into 9 is 9. Now, so minus 9 and plus 2 will be minus 7. So 560 equals to 9n minus 7. So we have to derive this part, that is n. So we will transfer this 7 first. So 9n equals to, see, it is 560. When we will transfer minus 7 to another side, it will become plus 7. So 9n equals to 567. 567. Now in order to calculate n, we have to transfer this n 9 also. So n equals to, 9 is in multiple form with n. So we will go in division form. So it is 567 divided by 9. So n equals to, we will solve this first. So 9 4s are, 9 6 are 54. So 56 minus 54 is 2 and 7 is remaining here. So 9 3s are 27. So the 560 is the 60th term of the given arithmetic progression. Now we have the answer, so we have to write result now. So result. So what will be our result? 560 is the 63rd term of given arithmetic progression. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so students, really these questions are very easy because we have such a easy formula, this one. So we had today derived the formula for the nth term and how to identify the nth term. We have already solved 2 problems. Okay, so students, get this formula and apply on your practice set also. Okay, so practice set में जितने क्वेश्चन आपसे सॉल्व होते हैं that you have to solve, then we will solve in next part of this chapter. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.